Are you trying to decide between Pydantic AI and Langchain? You are not alone. Today, we'll break down these two powerful tools and help you figure out which one is right for you. Both Pydantic AI and Langchain are designed to help with data validation and processing. They make it easier to work with data in your applications, but they each have their own unique features and strengths. Let's start with Pydantic AI. This tool is all about data validation. It allows you to define data models easily. You can check if your data meets specific rules. Pydantic AI is great for Python developers who want to ensure their data is clean and reliable. It's simple to use and integrates well with other Python libraries. Now, let's look at LangChain. This tool focuses on building applications with language models. It helps developers connect different components in a project. LangChain is perfect for those who want to create chatbots or other applications that use natural language processing. It offers flexibility and is designed for complex workflows. So, what are the key differences? Pydantic AI is mainly for data validation, while LangChain is more about managing language models. If you need to ensure your data is correct, go for Pydantic AI. If you want to build language driven applications, LangChain is the better choice. In terms of features, Pydantic AI shines with its validation capabilities. LangChain, on the other hand, offers tools for chaining language models and managing their outputs. Each tool has its strengths depending on what you need. When it comes to pricing, both tools offer different models. Pydantic AI often has free options for basic use. LangChain may have some costs depending on the features you choose. In the end, if you're focused on data accuracy, Pydantic AI is your best bet. But if you're diving into language applications, LangChain is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.